Acne removal device operation. Remove facial makeup and excess sebum using a makeup remover. Apply cleansing foam to the face and gently cleanse the skin. Apply a soothing toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Cover the eyes with washcloths and apply a hot spray for 3 minutes to open pores and aid cleansing. Remove the cotton pads and washcloths. Sterilize the cum-done extractor. Wipe the face using saline solution. Cover the eyes with washcloths. Extract mature closed comedones, blackheads, and excess oil using the cum-done extractor. Contraindication: avoid extracting immature inflammatory acne to prevent infection. Remove the washcloth. Wipe the face using saline solution. High-frequency, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, promotes acne recovery. Glide the handle over areas treated with the cum-done extractor, starting from the chin and moving upwards. Hold for about 3 seconds on each area before proceeding. Apply repairing essence to the face afterward. Coulter hammer, deep cleansing and pore tightening. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Move the handle across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Apply a soothing gel. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the goggles on top. Red and blue light, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, inhibits acne growth. Place the device on the recipient's face. After 15 minutes, remove the device, goggles, and washcloths. Apply a gauze mask, followed by an anti-inflammatory mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Finish with toner, essence, and repair cream.